This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Brimming with charm and an enticing floor plan, this immaculate 4-bed home is a winner. Inviting and comfortable, great room with a cozy gas fireplace and vaulted ceilings that flows to the open kitchen, super ideal for entertaining all your guests. Main floor master with attached master bath ensuite plus 3 beds and a bonus room up. Recently upgraded with air conditioner and a storage shed. Fire up the barbecue on those warm summer nights on the exposed aggregate patio in the fully fenced yard with in-ground irrigation. Plenty of room for your vegetable garden to grow, throw a ball, build a fire, or simply relax. For more information, review the details below.